Today, we're diving into the world of data visualization with Formulu Charts. Whether you're a data whiz or just starting out, Formulu Charts empowers you to create stunning and informative charts to bring your data to life. Formulu Charts is a feature built into Formulu. It allows you to transform the data you collect through your forms into beautiful and insightful charts. This means you can ditch the spreadsheets and complexity and create clear visualizations in just a few clicks. Using Formulu Charts is incredibly straightforward. When you create a form in Formulu and add question fields, Formulu Charts automatically recognizes the data types and suggests relevant chart formats. To create a new chart, add a new page in your app, type / to activate the command bar. From the menu that pops up, choose the Charts option. This will bring up a setup window. You'll be able to connect the charts to the specific database you want. This essentially lets you choose which survey responses you want to display in the charts. You can create various types of charts like bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, and more depending on your form fields. Formulu then populates the chart with your form data, giving you a real-time visualization of your results. Formulu offers a wide range of customization options to personalize your charts. You can play with colors, adjust the color scheme of your charts to match your brand or create a specific visual impact. Choose the fields and options to display. Select the specific data points you want to showcase in the chart. You can even choose which options within those fields to display. Control chart layout. Decide how many charts you want to display in a row for optimal presentation on dashboards or reports. Formulu Charts also empowers you to share your insights and collaborate with your team. You can add team members and share the charts with them using different accesses. Grant your team members access to your charts and control their level of access. This allows for collaborative data exploration and ensures everyone is on the same page. Formulu Charts makes data visualization accessible and powerful. By creating clear and compelling charts, you can gain valuable insights from your data, share your findings effectively, and impress your audience. So, if you're looking to unlock the potential of your data, head over to Formulu and start creating charts that tell a story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on using Formulu to its full potential. In the comments below, let us know how you're using Formulu Charts to visualize your data. Thanks a lot for watching and happy formulaing!